guys, I never vlog on this channel anymore, but I think in 2020 we're going to. And today we're going to go and collect, hopefully, our Louis Vuitton purchases. We're really excited. And I thought I would vlog the experience because it's been forever. It's been about 10 weeks and they haven't contacted us to tell us that it's actually available. Kaz contacted the store, or they contacted the head office, and they said they couldn't tell us and we had to go into the store. It's all been very strange. So hopefully it will be there, but we'll see. Okay, here we are, Louis Vuitton in Leeds. This is so exciting. Oh. Ah, that one's mine. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful.
And you had the orange lining as well.
Yes. Oh, it's everything I imagined it would be. Oh, it goes so nicely. Okay, don't regret my choices, but this is gorgeous. Oh my god. She hasn't even seen it yet. We got the Christmas bags. I'm so excited. Right, we're in Harvey Nichols now. We're going to have a look at the shoe sale. One of the only times I ever visit the shoe section in Harvey Nichols. And I have no money to spend. I have no business being here. But I like to have a look and try some shoes on. Oh my god. I feel like these are meant to be mine. Is that $2.99 or $3.99? They're a full size too big and they make me look like I've got crypt keeper feet. I don't know why, but I love the leopard print. These are not in the sale, but they're only £545. I mean, it's nothing, is it? Oh, we've come to the Ivy because the Harvey Nichols restaurant was closed. I'm trying to remember what it was. Oh, upside down. Was it called the Ivy Sling? Did she say yours?
Mine's the Ivy Sling.
Okay, so Kaz has got the Ivy Sling and I've just got Cosmopolitan because I'm like boring and this is what I like, but I think we're going to try something new and fun for the next round. And we've just ordered some picky stuff. Right, Kaz is looking to see what fits in this, and she's got other SLGs than me, so I thought this would be interesting.
Okay.
Okay, it fits that perfectly.
Okay, let's see what else is coming my.
Let's see what's coming out.
Oh, I don't know. Wait a minute.
I think you can make it work.
One first. Oh, wait a minute, no.
It's roomier than you think.
You could still fit a lipstick in there as well.
Also, bear in mind, Kaz has got the world's largest car key.
Yes.
Wow. That's amazing. So the full key case, a little card holder, and a lipstick.
That's not bad at all, is it?
Okay, we've just ordered some like picky things. These are like, is it arancini? I think it is. Little rice, deep fried balls, some parmesan truffle chips, and some salted sourdough. Right, we got a candy Cosmo. It's supposed to come with candy floss inside on the top, but they ran out. So we just got it without. And then we got another Ivy Sling, but it looks different. We think it's the same. The night has escalated quickly. We've come to a bar called The Alchemist, and Kaz has ordered a screwball, which looks a lot like a retro ice cream, if my camera would focus in the dark. Mine is called, what is it called? The Force, and I got the light one, and it has a blue lightsaber in it, which I think is like a shot of something. What on earth is that? Kaz ordered the Adam's apple. I wanted the high tea in the clouds, but they didn't have it. I think this is going to be Kaz's. It's like an augmented reality cocktail. It's bubbling. We don't know why it's bubbling, but it's bubbling. How cool is this? So this very quickly turned out to be just you following us while we had a drink. To celebrate our purchase. I will do a proper unboxing, but I wanted to do a kind of experience of going to the Lexi. It was really nice in store. The problem that we had was that we weren't contacted to be told when it was available, and then when we got there, the person was there that took our order originally, and she kind of tried to say that she had, I just don't believe that she had contacted us, and given the time of year, like for us it didn't matter, but we ordered it in the middle of October, and she said that it had been there for a week. I think it's, I mean, it's like, what is it, the 27th of December now. Had it been there for a week, I think they could have tried harder to contact us if she did indeed try to contact us, because it could well have been for a Christmas gift. I don't know, it was kind of like a not great experience in that regard, but overall I think the customer service at Louis Vuitton is really nice, especially at Leeds. My friend got her key holder monogrammed, or not monogrammed, heat stamped while we were there, which was really nice. The whole thing, I don't know, it was just kind of disappointing because that was my first Monogram experience, my first time ordering something to a store. But like I say, I'll do a proper unboxing and we'll look at it properly in another video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.